Good morning, everyone. Today is the 9th of November, 2015. It's Monday morning. Hope everybody had a great weekend. I'm seeing a lot of pressure to the downside, but I am also seeing some minor pressure to the upside. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say I'm going to anticipate a pop up and then a major push down. So I can play around that and keep an eye open for a pop up and then a push down. Let's see what happens here. Okay, market open. I clicked instantly to go long. I did not get filled. It never even looked back. It was gone. And I don't chase it, so I took my order off the table. Waiting to see what she's up to here. Just watching it here, just watching it. Okay, I got a signal to go long. Got it in long right there. Let's see if she goes up. Okay, made a gift and I went long again. And she's pushing up nicely. Well, maybe not nicely, but she is pushing up, right? I wouldn't call that nicely, now that I think about it, but it is pushing up. Okay, she came back and got me. Stinker. Okay, I went short. I went short. Okay, we're pushing down. 80% chance hitting target. We get down there. Right now I am down 3.4. Get down there, I'll get my dome back to green and have a couple nuggets left over. Awesome. Works for me. Okay, I just noticed off on the distance in one of my charts, it's telling me to expect a pullback. How far this pullback? Yet to be determined. I hope it doesn't come up far enough to really scare the bejeebers out of me, but I am anticipating a pullback of sorts. And then we're going to shoot down. So it's expected. Let's see what happens. Okay, question for the students. At this particular moment, what chart am I looking at to anticipate this pullback? Which chart am I focusing on right now? Just curious if everybody's on the same page. If not, you should be looking at that particular chart. Okay, breathing exercises are in place right here. As it's going up, I'm getting very nervous and I'm making sure I'm breathing properly. Very important, guys. Breathe properly so you don't lose your wits. If the oxygen and the blood leaves your brain, you're screwed. Might as well just get under your desk and get into the fetal position. Breathe. Breathe. The indicators are saying it's going to go down, but it's got to go up first. Riding through that upward move is very, very stressful. You need to be able to handle it. Breathe. That was stressful. But here's the consolation. If you know it's coming, if you're expecting it, it's not a surprise. And if it's not a surprise, you can deal with it. What does it need to do? What is it doing? What's it going to do? It's the sequence of the order of things, the sequence of things. Okay, move my boundary back to above this pivot. Danger's over. It's done going up. Should go down to target. It's all in the technical indicators, guys. It's all in the technicals. Play the technicals. Okay, here's an interesting tidbit. Target's the 62. Sound about right, guys? I'm curious as to how many of us are waiting for this to hit target. I haven't gotten many charts in from the students, so I'm anticipating that we're all in the same boat here. And everybody's just rooting for this guy to hit target. And like I said, it's an 80% probability. So hope everybody's using that as a benchmark. Still hanging out, waiting here. Another pullback. Another breathing exercise. This one wasn't as bad though. This was the major one. This one had a potential of going up a lot further and still doing what it was supposed to do. So I'm glad that one's out of the way. This one is not as bad. This one's going to go up. Doesn't have much chance of going up very high. Bam! Target's filled. Awesome. Got my dome back to green and 2.5 with an 80% probability of doing so. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Listening to the technicals, listening to the statistics that we've collected. Can't go wrong. Well, you can go wrong 20% of the time, I guess. Today was one of the 80%ers, so I'm going to take that to the bank, and you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. By the way, I do have one slot open still for the November session. Contact me. We'll get you in there, show you how to do all this great stuff. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.